What is the 21st term of the sequence with first four terms 1, 8, 15, 22?
Fat Math, the right path to develop the fat brain that you've got. Hello everyone and welcome to Fat Math TV.
In this video, we will identify the nth term of an arithmetic sequence given some conditions. Okay, let us consider the following sequences. Find the missing terms in the sequences below. Okay, you can test yourself. You don't need this lesson to answer this. So you can pause the video if you want to answer this. Number 1, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. What's next? Of course, it's 14. You just add 2 to the next to get the, you just add 2 to the term to get the next term. How about number 2? 9, 15, 21, 27. Answer? 33. That is, you just add 6. Number 3, 8, negative 1, negative 10, negative 19. What's next? What's the pattern? You just subtract 9 from the term. So 8 minus 9 is negative 1. Negative 1 minus 9 is negative 10. Negative 10 minus 9 is negative 19. So negative 19 minus 9 is negative 28. How about number 4? You add negative 7 or subtract 7. So 23 minus 7, that's 16. 16 minus 7, that's 9. 9 minus 7, that's 2. 2 minus 7, that's negative 5. Okay, it's just easy if we are given with this and we are asked only of the next term. How about if we are asked of the farther term? Let's say, for example, you're asked for the 100th term. You're asked for the 50th term. So that's a bit far. If you will do this, like you will add one by one what is being added, then it will take a longer time. So in this lesson, we will learn how to answer those items if the questions or the terms asked are farther away from the given, and we don't need to add one by one. So what we're going to do is we will apply a formula. Okay, consider the arithmetic sequence 2, 6, 10, 14, 18, and so on. So our first term here is 2. We call that a sub 1 for the first term. And to get the next term, you have to add 4. So we have here a common difference of 4. If you can observe, the first term is 2. That is by adding a 0 difference. Okay, no difference yet because that's the starting point. And then for the second term, you add 1, 4. Because you have to add 4 to get 6. For the third term, how many times do you need to add 4? You need to add 2 times to get the 10. For the fourth term, how many times do you need to add the common difference 4? You need to add 3 times. And then for the fifth term, how many times do you need to add 4 to get the fifth term? You need to add it 4 times. So as what you can see here, there's a pattern. For the first term, no difference is added to the first term. So these are all first terms, the 2. And then for the second term, you add 1 difference. For the third, 2. For the fourth, 3 times the difference. And for the fifth, 4 times the difference. So as what you can see, there's a pattern. If it's 1 here, 0. If it's 2, 1. If it's 3, 2. If it's 4, 3. If it's 5, 4. So maybe if this is a sub 100, because you already know the pattern, if this is the 100th term, maybe you will just have 2 plus, how many times do you need to add 4? 99. 99 times. Because there's a pattern. So 9 times 99 times 44, that's 36. Carry 3. 396, so that's 398. Okay, so that's it. So in general, here, we are asked here of the eighth term. So if it's the eighth term, okay, we already solved the 100th term, but what if it's the eighth? So how many times do we need to add for a sub 8? 7 times. So 2 plus 28, that's 30. How about the 21st term? So how many times do you need to add the difference? You need to add 20 times. So first term, that's 2 plus 20 times the difference, that's 80 plus 2, that's 82. So in general, the nth term is given by first term plus n minus 1 times the common difference. Okay? So that's it. A sub n equals a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. Like in this case, for the 21st term, n is 21. So that's a sub 1 plus this is 21 minus 1. That's 20 times the common difference d. So this is the nth term, the general nth term. Okay, let us use the formula to answer the following items. Number 1, what is the 20th term of the sequence with first 4 terms, 4, 6, 8, and 10? So what's important? We need to know in the formula the n, the d, and the a sub 1. So in this given, a sub 20 is what is asked because that's the 20th term. A sub 1 is what is given here is 4. A sub 1 is the first term. And the n is 20 since it's the 20th term. And the common difference is 2. How do we get the common difference? Just subtract. 6 minus 4, that's 2. Or 8 minus 6. Or 10 minus 8, that's 2. That's the common difference. So a sub 20 is equal to a sub 1 is 4 plus n minus 1. So n is 20 minus 1 times d. What is d? That's 2. So first, you need to do 20 minus 1, that's 19. And then 19 times 2, that's 38. So 4 plus 38 is 42. So the 20th term is 42. So it's just easy. You just need to remember this formula. First term plus n minus 1 times the difference. Example number 2. What is the 55th term of the sequence with first 4 terms, 4, 6, 8, and 10? Okay, same sequence, so same. A sub 1, same d. So n is 55 because 55th term, so d is still 2. So a sub 55 is, a sub 1 is 4. N is 55, so plus 55 minus 1, d is 2. So 55 minus 1 is 54. 54 times 2 is 108. 108 times plus 4 is 112. So the 55th term is 112. Number 3. What is the 21st term of the sequence with first 4 terms 1, 8, 15, 22? So same formula. What is asked is a sub 21. First term is 1. N is 21 and D is 7. 7 is 8 minus 1. Or it can be 15 minus 8. Or it can also be 22 minus 15. So a sub 21 is a sub 1, that's 1, plus n minus 1, that's 21 minus 1, times d, 7. 21 minus 1 is 20. 20 times 7 is 140. And 140 plus 1 is 141. So the answer is 141. The 21st term of the sequence with first 4 terms 1, 8, 15, and 22 is 141. Example number 4. What is the 100th term of the same sequence? So it's still same a sub 1 and same d. So n is 100. A sub 100 is 1 plus 100 minus 1 times 7. 100 minus 1 is 99. 99 times 7 is 693 plus 1, 694. So the 100th term of the sequence is 694. Example number 5. What is the 16th term of the sequence with first four terms 43, 30, 17, and 4? Okay, so A sub 16 is what is asked. What is A sub 1? A sub 1 is the first term, 43. What is N? N is 16. And what is D? D is 30 minus 43, or 17 minus 30, or 4 minus 17. That is negative 13. Use the formula. So A sub 16 equals A sub 1, 43 plus N minus 1. That's 16 minus 1 times D, negative 13. 16 minus 1 is 15. 15 times negative 13 is negative 195. And 43 minus 195 is negative 152. So the 16th term is negative 152. Okay, same sequence, but this time what is asked is the 42nd term. So A sub 42. So N is 42. We have first term is 43 plus 42. This has to be 42. A sub 42. A sub 42 equals 43, first term, plus 42 minus 1 times D. 42 minus 1 is 41. 41 times negative 13 is negative 533. 43 minus 533 is negative 490. So, the 42nd term is negative 490. Okay, that's enough for the examples. This time, it's your turn to answer. Number 1, or find the indicated term of the sequence with the given first few terms. Number 1, 6, 10, 14, and 18. Find the 30th term. Number 2, negative 15, negative 7, 1, 9. Find the 120th term. Number 3, negative 2, negative 8, negative 14, negative 20 are the first four terms. Find the 81st term. Number 4, 4, 6.5, 9, 11.5, and so on. Find the 65th term. Number 5, 5, 14, 23, 32. Find the 43rd term. Number 6, C, 2C plus 2, 3C plus 4, 4C plus 6. Find the 25th term. Okay, pause the video if you're not ready to answer. If you're not ready to check. Okay, let's check your answers. Number 1, 122. Number 2, 937. Number 3, negative 482. Number 4, 164. Number 5, 383. And number 6, 25C plus 48. Congratulations if you got perfect. So that's it for this video. Please like and subscribe and comment down below if you have some questions, clarifications, or suggestions to improve our videos. Thank you for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. Bye!